A very good morning to everyone, class 4. Welcome to the online class, and we were doing chapter number 11, tables and shares. So kindly open page number 121 of your math magic book. Page number 121 of your math magic book. Quickly open that one. Yes, in tables and shares we were doing, or we have completed up to jars in the shelf, isn't it? So up to this topic, any one of you having any type of doubt? Jars in the shelf, up to this we have already completed. Any one of you having any type of doubt up to this topic? Okay, when you are writing no ma'am, then we will switch to the new topic, easy tricks. Okay, so everyone be ready with your pencil and eraser, because now you will write in your book. Okay, so come to page number 121, and the topic is easy tricks. See, here two children are there, Bunty and Guddu. One conversation is going on between these two, that is given here. Okay, Bunty: I do not know the multiplication table of 7. Now Bunty is saying that I don't know the multiplication table of 7. Guddu: I know the tables till 5, but there is an easy trick. Now she is saying I also don't know, but I know up to 5, but to find the table of 7 there is one easy trick. What is that trick? I can make the table of 7 with the tables of 2 and 5. Since she knows up to table of 5 only, so she is saying that I can make the table of 7 with the help of table of 4 and 3. Sorry, 5 and 2. I'm sorry. She is saying that I can make it with the help of 5 and 2. Okay. So turn the page, page number 122. See, here it is given table of 2 and table of 5. Now table of 2 from 2 ones to 2 tens is given, and table of 5 also from 5 ones to 5 tens are given. Just below that, table of 7 is given. Okay, so how she has written? See how I added the two numbers in the yellow boxes to get the table of 7. She has added the numbers. Whatever the number is coming for 2 ones and 5 ones, then she is adding that 2. That means 2 ones are 2, 5 ones are 5. So 5 plus 2, 7. So 7 ones are 7. Next is 2 twos are 4 and 5 twos are 10. So 10 plus 4 is 14. So 7 twos are 14. Similarly, 3 twos are 6 and 3 fives are 15. So 7 threes are is 21. Then 4 twos are 8 and 4 fives are 20. That means 7 fours are 28. Then 5 twos are 10 and 5 fives are 25. So 7 fives are 10 plus 25, it is 35. Like this, she has added the numbers up to 2 tens are 20 and 5 tens are 50. So 50 plus 20 is 70. That means 10 sevens are 70. This way she has added the table of 2 and the table of 7. Sorry, table of 5, and got the table of 7. Now Bunty is saying, it is easy. I can also make the table of 7 with the tables of 4 and 3. Now with the same trick, Bunty is saying that I can also make the table with the help of 4 and 3. So Bunty, he is making the table of 7 with the help of 4 and 3. Students, tell me, how many of you don't know the table up to 10 in class 4? In class 4, I think everyone knows the table up to 10, isn't it? Because this table you have read in class 1 up to 10. And in class 4 standard, you should know the table up to 20. Okay. Yes, you all are writing that we know, but you should know up to 20 in class 4 standard. Okay. Yes, those who don't know, they will memorize up to 20. Okay. You should know up to 20. Now see, come to the book. Come to the book. Page 122. Help Bunty to make the table of 7 using tables of 4 and 3. Now with the table of 4 and 3, help Bunty to make the table of 7. See, it is given the table of 4 and the table of 3. Then next is given table of 7. Quickly write it down in the book and send in the chat box. Quickly write in the book and take the snap and send in the chat box just now. The table of 4, table of 3, and with this 2, table of 7. With this 2, you make the table of 7. And send it in the chat box quickly. Table of 4, table of 3, then table of 7. Because you know these things, it is very easy. Yes, the first answer I have got from Tanushri. Yes, Tanushri, it is correct. Very good, Shubham. Shubham Mondol, very good. It is very nice. The picture is very nice. Shaurya also correct. Soham Mondol, sent it once more. Soham Mondol, sent it once more because the whole picture is not clear. Soham Mondol, sent it once again because the whole picture is not clear. It is correct, Shamia. Shubhango also correct. Soham, it is too hazy. Send it properly, Soham Mondol. Shubham, you have already sent. It was correct. Shomodeep also correct. Tanbir, it is not clear. Write boldly. Your handwriting is not clear. Write boldly, Tanbir. Upashana, it is correct. Okay, those who have completed, it's well and good. Those who have not completed, try to complete it. Shubhangi, it is correct. And Tanvi also, it is correct. So those who have not completed, kindly complete it, and those who have completed, let us do the next one. Okay. Acha, wait. Let me just tell me what will be the answers. For 7 ones are 7, then 7 twos are is 14. So in the next box you will write 14. 7 threes are 21. In the third box you will write 21. 7 fours are 28. So in the fourth box 28. 7 fives are 35. In the fifth box 35. 7 sixes are 42. In the sixth box 42. 7 sevens are 49. Seventh box 49. 7 eights are 56. Eighth box 56. 7 nines are 63. So ninth box 63. And 7 tens are 70. In the last box it is 70. Okay. So this way you will complete the table of 7. Now after that one more question is given. Which two tables will you use for writing the table of 12? Now quickly tell me, which two tables will you use to write the table of 12? That means break 12. Break 12. Which two tables can you use? Five and 7. Yes. 5 and 7. Because 5 plus 7, 12. Then 6 and 2. Yes, you can use 6 and 2. No, 6 plus 2 is 8. You have to take it in the form of addition. Upasana, it is wrong. You can write 6 into 6 and 6. You can take the table of 6 and 6 because 6 plus 6, 12. Yes, 10 into 2 is also correct. 10 into 2 is also correct. That means you can take the table of 10 and 2 because 10 plus 2, 12. 8 and 4 is also right. You can take the table of 8 and you can take the table of 4 because 8 plus 4 is 12. So this way you will add the numbers. If the number is equal to 12, then that two numbers table you can write as table of 12. Okay, as table of 12. That means with the trick, as Guddu has taught us, with this trick we can write the bigger tables with the help of the smaller tables. Okay, so this was page 122. Now come to page 123. Come to page 123. How many cats? How many cats? Okay. Some of Gayatri's cats were playing in a box. When she tried to count, all she could see were legs. She counted 28 legs. How many cats are there in the box? See, Gayatri, she has kept the cats in a box. Okay, and when she tried to count the cats, that how many total number of cats are there, she gone there and she counted the cats, but she can see only the legs, not the head. So what she has done, she has counted the legs and it was 28. Now can you find that how many cats are there? Can you find that how many cats are there? If 28 legs she has counted, that then how many cats are there? As you know, one cat has how many legs? One cat has how many legs? Exactly. One cat has 4 legs. Now there are 28 legs. That means you will divide 28 by 4. So how many it is coming? 7. That means there are 7 cats. Okay, total number of 7 cats. So this thing you will write in your copy. Clear? Now take out your copy and write it down in your copy. This you write in your copy. Page 123, question number 1. First of all, it is given total number of legs. So you will write total number of legs is equals to 28. Then number of legs one cat has is equals to 4. Therefore, number of cats are 28 divided by 4. When you will divide by 4, it will be 7 because 7 fours are 28. So in the answer you will write there are 7 cats. There are 7 cats. Write it down in your copy. This thing you write down in your copy. There are 7 cats. Written. There are 7 cats. Write in the copy. Then the next one. What Gayatri is thinking. 8 legs means 2 cats. 4 plus 4, 8 legs, so 2 cats. So 12 legs means dash cat. What you will write the answer? 12 legs means 3 cats. Isn't it? So in the blank you write the answer as 3. 3 cats. In the blank you write the answer 3. Listen, I have told you to write in the copy, huh? Soham, Mondol, not in the book. So, in the blank it is given, or you will write 8 legs means 2 cats. So, 12 legs means how many? 3 cats, because 3 fours are 12. Because 3 fours are 12. So 12 legs means 3 cats. Now the next column. See, in the next column it is given how many legs and how many cats. It is given how many legs and how many cats. That you will do it in the book. That you will do it in the book, okay? It is given how many legs and how many cats. You have to find it out, okay? First one is given 4. If there are 4 legs, that means how many cats? Only 1 cat, because 1 cat has 4 legs. If there are 8 legs, that means 2 cats. If there are 12 legs, that means 3 cats. Next will be 16. Next will be 20. 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and 32. Now if there are 16 legs, that means 4 cats. 20 legs, that means 5 cats. 24 legs, so 6 cats. 28 legs, that means 7 cats. And 32 legs means 8 cats. Isn't it? So this is the table of 4 we have written, isn't it? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28 and 4 eights are 32. We have written the table of 4, isn't it? That means if there are 4 legs of 1 cat, so for 8 cats there will be 32 legs. There will be 32 legs, okay? Completed? Everyone has completed? Okay. Now see the next question. So 28 legs means dash cats. 28 legs means dash cat. What you will write the answer? So 28 legs means dash cats. How many cats? For 28 it is 7, isn't it? So there are 7 cats. Since she has counted 7 legs, so there are only 7 cats. Sorry, 28 legs she has counted. That's why there are only 7 cats. Okay. Clear? This 7 you will write in the book. Okay, now come to the next question. Billu has kept his chickens in a box. He counted 28 legs. How many chickens are there? Now here the chickens they are kept in the box and there are 28 legs. Now you have to find it out that how many chickens are there. Now first of all you tell me one chicken has how many legs? One chicken has how many legs? Quickly tell me the answer. Exactly, it is 2. So let us start writing. Since it is the word problem, so you have to write the statement. Clear? This is question number 2. So as usual you will write total number of legs. It is given 28. Now number of legs one chicken has, it is 2. Therefore total number of chickens is equals to 28 divided by 2. It is 14. 28 divided by 2, it is 14. So the answer you will write there are 14 chickens in the box. There are 14 chickens in the box. Okay. Written? All have completed? Okay, write it fast. Write the answer. There are 14 chickens in the box. Yes, all have completed. Okay. So students, today up to this only. The next question we will do it in our next class. Okay. And since the next question is also word problem, so we will do it in our next class in the copy. Okay. So whatever we have done today, you once more practice and specially practice the tables up to 20. Okay. That means memorize the table up to 20. You should know in class 4 up to table 20. Okay. So bye all of you for today.